Before we head out, let's talk about something every Rivian owner deals with, that massive glass roof. It looks incredible, but on a sunny day, it turns the cabin into a greenhouse. So today we're trying out the Vion Roof Sunshade for the R1T and R1S. This is a two-piece dual material shade designed to give you full blackout coverage, no sagging, no light leaking through the middle. It comes with custom clips and a storage bag, and the whole thing took about 5 minutes to install. Let's take a look.
All right, hey everybody, we're here and we just received a Vion sunscreen for my Rivian R1T. Sunscreens are extremely important, so especially in the summer. We're here in Pennsylvania, but in parts of Florida, Arizona, California, Nevada, where the temperatures can get well above 106 degrees. It even gets hot here. I mean, sometimes the cabin can be 106, 110 degrees. It's important to have a sunscreen, especially if you start to go camping. Both Rivian, Tesla, and most advanced EVs have a system where it will literally turn on the air conditioning to save electronics. So if you're looking to save your battery, especially in a situation we're going camping and it's hot, you need to have some type of sunscreen to bring in the less light. And obviously on the Rivian or the Tesla, the entire top of the roof is all a window and glass. So all that heat is brought right in and can increase your temperature of your cabin, which is not comfortable for you, and it's also not good for your electronics, which causes the car to turn on its air conditioning and use battery. So what we've got here is Vion was nice enough to send us a set of their sunshades specifically for the Rivian R1T and R1S. We're going to open up, take a look at it, and install it in the Rivian R1T and take a look and see how it works out. Okay, so let's take a look and see what we got here. So first thing that's nice about it, the Rivian is it's got a large glass roof. And it looks like the Vion comes in two sections. So it's an easily packed small box, and even packable for if you're going camping. It looks like it's got a nice little compartment here to hold it in. And it should come in two pieces. So let's take a look. So we come out, we've got some instructions here. Shows where the clips will be to kind of slide it into the in-between to the glass. And this is nice. It's got a little box here for the clips. So these are all the clips that will help us, which will slide in and hook into the actual sunshade. And yes, it does come in two sections or two parts. So let's take a look here. A little foam here. Oh, and it looks like just an easy twist. Whoop, there we go. All right, so we've got two pieces, and what's nice about it too is that they're clearly marked. So once you open them up, there's a label here that explains front, this side facing up. So this will be the front with this side facing up in the window, and then this one here should say. There's a tag here, it says rear, this side facing up. So this will be the rear. And it looks like they go kind of this way so that they kind of loop in on top of the roof. So we're gonna go ahead to the R1T, install these and take a look and see how they work. All right, so we'll open up the truck. And you can see here we're already in the shade, so truck's not gonna be terribly hot. But let's just take a look and see how hot it actually is in there. 88 degrees. Dealing with extreme heat inside where the sun's blaring down, and if you're in parts of Florida, Arizona, somewhere warm, that could get well above 110, 115 degrees. And at which point the truck will automatically turn on its air conditioning to probably at 115, 120, just to make sure that the electronics, nothing is actually burned out from electronics. So this will actually help keep more power in terms of your batteries if you're doing a lot of camping and you've got some issues with actually getting to a charger. So let's try, let's install them and see how they look. So I'm going to go ahead and put the clips on, and we put 2 in the front here with the top of the clips showing on the outside. Then according to the directions here, it looks like we put a pair on the side, and then we have kind of a circular one that kind of combines the 2 sections together. All right, so we got the clips on. Let's go ahead and slide this one in. See how it works here. Front, this side facing up. So we're gonna go, and this side goes on top, and they should just slide right in here. Yeah. Oh boy, that is pretty easy. And that one's already in. Okay, that's a pretty good fit. Okay, for the back one, we do the same thing as the front. We've got 4 tabs on each side. So we got a full set of extras in case you lose some. So let's see how this slides in. So slide into the truck here, and then we put this goes in here. Yep, that one in, this one's in, that one's in, and then this one. All right, and then we just slide that nice, and let's see if that goes in there tight. Move this one forward a little bit. Let's see here. Perfect. Wow, that's a nice tight fit. It looks pretty good, and it's literally the same black as the truck's interior, and this will cut down tremendously the amount of heat that gets into the truck, and you could leave this up the entire summer, and that's probably what I'll do. Nice and solid and fits like a glove. So we'll check them out, and a couple days I'll let you know how it's working. But right now they're set up perfectly, and you can't even tell that that there is a sunshade in there. It fits real nicely. So I'm excited about it. They look like a good set. You've already brought it down by 7, 8, 9 degrees already. So that's pretty good. So it's already starting to reduce the amount of heat in the truck. Not bad. All right, well, I'll let you know. I'll let it run for a few days, and then I'll come back and we'll let you know how it worked out.
Okay, here's the verdict on the Vion Roof Sunshade. After spending several days with it installed, I can confidently say it works great. The cabin was noticeably cooler all day, and that direct overhead heat from the glass roof was gone. The dual material design blocks the light without making the cabin feel like a cave. The 2-piece split design makes install and removal easy, and it holds tight with 0 sagging or gaps. It comes with a storage bag, so when you don't need it, you just pull it out, fold it up, and store it. For the price, this is one of those Rivian accessories that's just a no-brainer, especially if you live somewhere with real summers. Highly recommend. Take a look in the video description for a 10% discount. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye out for other Rivian camping and driving product reviews. Cheers.